Now, Omnisphere. All right, so we're going to look at some MKS sounds. So here we go. I just typed in MKS and look, MKS basses, bass pipe. So I'm thinking that's distorting a little bit. So I'm going to, the limiter's got it. Never mind. All right, so bass. So, all right, piano. All right, let's keep going. You can kind of hear that. And then you could turn down the LA Custom. Let's go back to the first one. I turn that. All right. E piano 1. I guess we just would have got to it. All right, here we go. Piano 2. And I'm pretty sure you can add effects, you know. Got echo and reverb, EQ. And then I could add, some chorus or something like that. So we come over to, I got to get out of here. And then effects, see what they got. Oh, okay, chorus is on it. So if I turn that off, analog. Okay, there it is. Now, straight analog chorus. Let's try the ultra chorus. Analog vibrato. There we go. Tremolo. What if I turn the depth up? Yeah. You hear that phasing? That's nice. Let's throw that chorus on. Yeah. I like it better this way. Turn my headset up some. Yeah. 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 All right, here we go. Electric grand. CP70 type. Coming out of an MKS 20. There's those vibes. There we go. E piano 1 gospel. There's a chorus. If I do that. Yeah. Try this piano. Boy, I wanted this thing so bad, and that P30 or P330. Here we go. MK80, MK. Seemed like some JD stuff. MK80, maybe there was a JD 800. That's pretty wide. I like that. All right. So Rhodes and MKS 20. And let's see if I turn the Rhodes down. I'm gonna turn that Rhodes back up. Sometimes I turn that off. All right, let's see. Let me reload that one. All right, stays on even when you got your pedal on. All right, so there it is. Pedals down. It's still going, but when I take my foot off the pedal, it gets bigger. All right, let's see what we got. I don't know what that is. Childhood chimes. All right, let's see. Yeah. Sound like a helicopter or a truck going. 80s rack. So here are the two sound MKS 20 and a mega pad. So if I turn that off, and I turn the Rhodes back on, or the MKS. All right, let's see. Sorry, I looked into the text message. There's a vibe. Don't know what that is. Golden years. Okay. Oh, I guess got organ in it. Let's look over here. Yep. See what it sounds like without the Rhodes. Oh, look at that. Tremolo on the mod wheel. Let's turn it on. They got some better ones in gospel keys too. Let's see. Let's turn the piano off. I originally recorded this for my brother so he could see and hear Omnisphere in action, playing those MKS sounds. And this is only half of the video that I recorded. We'll come back with another video with part 2 of MKS sounds. So if you like what we're doing here at the channel, go ahead and drop us a like and then hit the subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.